You can tell is, you can look right here, it says it has a 2 for a 2-inch. Actually dry and plumber's putty. Put it on here, plumber's putty. And then when I screw everything from the bottom, it's gonna squeeze out. Had some extra come through and I just took it off, and I'm gonna save this. I didn't even use the extra washers that it comes with because the putty that I put on the top acts like a washer. Big pliers, and then tighten it up until it's tight, watertight for a drain. After tightening up the bottom, this is what you get. Just take the extra and put it back in your collection. I'm gonna dry fitted everything. I looked at the 1.5, and I got lucky because you see it says 1.5. So I just got a pipe to connect it like that, bam, glue it. And then you always want this slope to be the direction of the draining. But see, there's no lip on the end, so it just falls right through. So this comes right out. The washer falls right off. Let's see how this one has a lip. I still like to use the washer. Drainage has no pressure, so make that tight. The lid, and then the washer goes like this. So it doesn't matter how far, just cut enough to put this piece on. When you start using this stuff, and make sure you have something so it doesn't drip, because this stuff stains. So I'm gonna start gluing everything together. This is a 1.5-inch pipe, and I discovered that this was 1.5-inch by the sticker. You can go to the hardware store and dry fit everything. So I'm gonna glue everything together. So I mark it and see, so when I connect it later to see how much goes in, so I mark that, and I mark dish. I'm gonna cut that off, and then put everything together. I'm using this oscillating tool. Cut it up. Push it and hold it for 30 seconds. Give it a light. And it's a primer. Primer. And then primer. And then cement. Push it in, quarter turn, and hold it. No, I'm just kind of getting a picture of everything. Nope, no leaking. It's hot and cold water. Yep. And turn it off.